clicking on my video to watch. Welcome back to my How To Tuesdays, where every Tuesday or every other Tuesday, depending on how my videos come out, I show you guys a little how-to video. Today's is going to be how to make a simple makeup look pop and stand out using very easy and basic steps. So this video is very straightforward and the steps I show you are extremely simple. I just add a little bit of an extra touch to a very basic look. Before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy my How To Tuesdays. And if you'd like to know all my steps to create this look, then please just keep watching. Okay, so I have my simple look on right now, all of my face makeup with very minimal eye makeup. I just put a tiny bit of eyeshadow and a little winged eyeliner. Winged eyeliner will also make your look pop. I just didn't include that part in the video. I didn't really think about it while I was doing my makeup before this video. But a winged eyeliner will obviously make your eye makeup stand out. What also will is doing a little pop of color on the eye, just very subtle in one particular spot. If you smoke out a bright color underneath your lash line, that will stand out really well. So what I'm going to show you is a little Kylie Jenner action, and I'm going to put a pop of color onto the inner parts of my eye. The color I'm going to grab is from my ABH Riviera Palette, and it is this hot pink shade right here called Bahamas. You can use a purple, blue, whatever color that you want, or a really intense highlighter on your inner corners. So I'm just going to pick up Bahamas on a pencil brush. This one is the Sigma Pencil E30, and I'm just going to put it onto my tear duct. And then also drag it a little bit underneath the bottom of my tear duct as well as the top. And just circle it around. And on the top here, I'm just going to fade it out a little bit onto my lid. And as you can obviously tell, that brightens it up, makes it pop, and also extends your eye a little bit more. Just grabbing a clean, fluffy brush. This one is the Luxie 209 Large Shader. And I'm going to diffuse the shade a little bit because I don't want it to be too sharp. The next step I'm going to do is lashes. Fake lashes always will make your eye makeup and your whole look come together a lot better, and it makes it look completely different in my opinion. Once your lashes are on, it just makes everything stand out a lot more. So I'm first going to coat my lashes with some mascara just to prep them before my false lashes. The ones I chose are not very dramatic. They're going to make your look stand out a lot more, but they're way more on the natural side rather than a very dramatic lash. So this one is the Ardell 160, and they are very similar to the 105 Glamour lashes by Ardell. The difference is the inner parts of the lash is much shorter than the rest, so it kind of fans out and makes it look super natural. And when you're putting on your false lashes, you're going to want to make sure that your lash is turned upwards, so it looks like it's lifting your eye up rather than drooping it down. Once you've got your lash on, just make sure you're pushing it up. The lash glue is obviously not completely dry yet, but as you can see, it completely just lifts your eye up and makes everything stand out a lot more, and it just draws way more attention to your eyes and your eyeshadow and etc. I have my other lash on, and now moving on from the eyes, I'm going to focus on the face really quickly. Step for this one, and that is basically packing on a lot of blush because that is going to make your face stand out a lot. Not too overboard, but I feel like a fair amount of blush can look really pretty and make your face look a lot more flushed. So I'm going to grab this one from Clinique. It is the Cheek Pop blush in the shade Rosy Pop, and I feel like it will match my eye color fairly well. When I want to focus on using a lot of blush, I like to take a fully packed brush that is slanted on an angle like this. This one is the Sonia Kashuk number 113 brush, and I just pick it up. I start at the apples and I bring it all the way back to my temples and wrap it around my temple a little bit here. So that's one layer, which gives just a tiny bit of color, but I just like to add a few to make it really stand out. I know a lot of people don't like blush. If that's the case for you, you could also do bronzer. I'm not going to focus on putting a lot of highlighter on because that will obviously also make your look stand out a lot more, but I feel like that's borderlining on the more glam side, and since I am focusing on just adding extra to a simple look, I'm just going to stick with the blush. The very obvious step to making your look stand out is a very bright lip color. I'm going to use one of the new Bite Beauty lip stains. This one is in the shade Strawberry Frosé, and it is a hot pink, so I'm going to add this, and clearly that's going to make your look stand out. I feel like I'm saying stand out a lot, but I don't know what else to say. I love the shape on these bullets. They make applying your lipstick so easy. Alrighty, so there's the lipstick on. This look is looking very monochromatic, but you can obviously use whatever shades you want, and I know it's looking more on the dramatic side as I go. I'm just doing all the steps in one go instead of having to wipe off my makeup, add another step, and so on. That's why I'm doing it all meshed together like this. Normally, if I'm just going to focus on doing a simple look with a little pop, I'll just add one of these steps, 1 to 2. You can do all of them if you want. You can do 1, you can do half, whatever fits your style. I'm just showing everything at once right now. Another little step I have is very, very simple compared to all of the other ones I just showed you, and that is just brightening up your under eyes. I would just take a powder from a contour kit or just a single powder, whichever you have. This one is the Anastasia Contour Kit. I like to grab this shade right here, which is called Sand. So I just pick it up on a fluffy brush and I add it underneath my eyes just to brighten them up. And that draws more attention to underneath your eyes, the center of your face, without doing anything too dramatic. It's very subtle. And then you could also go ahead and set the whole entire center of your face just to bring it out and brighten it up. The last step I have has nothing to do with makeup because you don't always have to use makeup to make your look stand out. Accessories work amazing. You would do none of these makeup steps, and if you just wanted to bring out your look, because I feel like accessories do bring out your makeup look as well, you can pop on a hair accessory. This one is a scrunchie with a scarf on it, so you just put it around your ponytail like so, and that adds a lot of character to your look. Or a headband, this one is just a cheetah one, or just a statement pair of earrings. So I'm just gonna pop in the earrings really quick. I already did my hair in this high pony, so I don't really want to put a hair accessory in it. I'll just pop on these very large hoops, and that will bring out my look. Okay, well, that's it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. These are all my little easy steps to make a simple look stand out and pop. You can do a whole lot of other things as well. I just thought I would narrow it down and do these ones. You could also pop some highlight on your collarbone. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know which How To Tuesday you want to see next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!